Okay, it may seem like busy work to you, but the bottom line is it's a trinomial times a trinomial, and you got to do the multiplications. And some people are faster than others. I'm a big fan of the distributive property. If I did that, I'll write down what I'm getting. You're going to get 7 times 7, which is 49. I'm taking this term, distributing across the other three terms, though. So 49, sorry about that, root 16. Yes, I know the root 16 is 4. We'll get to that later. Then what do I get? I get minus 21 root 24. We will take care of that later. Then what do I get? I get minus 28 root 40. All right, that's done. Now I'm going to move on to this one. What do you get? Well, you can get 21 root, well, let's see, 2 times 27 is 54. Let's keep going. Minus 9 root 81. Let's keep going. Minus 12. Now 5 times 27, well, 5 times 2 is 20 is 100, 135. Again, don't be intimidated by the numbers. I know it seems like a lot of work. We're just doing one thing at a time. All right? Now I'm going to do this guy. All right, let's do it. What do you get? I'm running out of room, right? So I get what? Minus 14 root 40 plus 6 root 60 plus 8 root 100. Right, I'm going to focus in on the easy things. Easy, easy, easy. Let's do them one at a time. The first one's going to be 49 times 4. I'll write that down. 49 times 4. This one's done. What's this one going to be? Minus 9 times 9. Let's do this one. That's going to be plus 8 times 10. I'm going to do the arithmetic, all right? Minus 81 plus 80. And 4 times 49, 160, 36, 196. Well, let's take a look at that. You're going to get 195, all right? So I know that the result now, at least the number, the easy number, is going to be 195. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to erase those guys, indicating they're gone from the existence. And then we're going to go on to some, I'm also going to erase this. I'm done with that. I'm going to erase this guy here. I'm going to erase this guy over here. I just want you to focus in on what we're going to do next. All right? Well, I'm looking at it, and I notice a lot of radicals, and I want to do one at a time. So I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to do this one first. Let me write that down for you. That's going to be minus 21. Now, in 24, there's a 4, and that's going to be the square root of 4 is a 2. And then what are you left off with? A root 6. Right, let's go to the next one. Minus 28. And I'm looking at 40, and there's a 4 in that as well, and the square root of 4 is 2, and then I get a root of 10. Let me outline that for you. Just did this one. Let's go to the next one. That's 54, right? Well, 54 has a 9 in it, right? The square root of 9 is 3. Let me highlight that for you. So I get plus 21 times 3 root 6. Let's go to the next one. These are the radicals. These are more difficult. I'm looking at the 135. And let's take a look at that. 9. Let's see, 135. Whoops, sorry about that. Get my eraser out. 3 times 4, well, I did it again. I'm really apologize for that. 3 times 45, and then you're going to get 9 times 5. Did I do that? That's not, I'm sorry, 9 times, 3 times 45? Oh, 15. What, am I saying that right? 15, yeah, I'm sorry. Let me see if I did that right. 3 times 45 is 135. I took a 3 from 45, 15. Yeah, 9 times 15. So what do I get over there? Minus 12. The square root of 9 is 3, and I'm left with a root 15. All right? Let me do the next two, and it's going to be minus 14 times 2, that's square root of 4, and then a 10. And then I get this over here. It's going to be plus 6. Let me highlight these for you. I just did that one. I'm doing this one now. We'll get there. I'm going to start to erase these as I do them, all right? So, let's see. That's a 60, right? Let's write that down. Ooh, I did it again, didn't I? I'm going to say 60 is 4 times 15. Right, let's write that down. So it's 6. The root of 4 is 2. Then I get root 15. Right, I'm going to start to erase all those roots now that I just partially simplified. And these are all gone now. Right, I'm not done yet. But I do know that this answer is going to be 195. Let me erase this over here. All right, let me erase it now. I'm going to start looking at the roots now, and I want to concentrate on just the root 6. I don't see any more root 6s. What do I see? And maybe I should write this down. I'm seeing minus, well, I did it again, minus 42 and plus 63. That's going to give me, what is that going to give me? 42, 21. I'll write that down. I'm going to erase those two now. They're gone. My baby root took up there too. Let's do the root 10s now. And I'm looking at those. I'll point out what I mean by that. I'm looking at this one and this one. All right, let's write down the coefficients. Minus 56. And the other coefficient is going to be minus 28. Whoops, I did that incorrectly. It's minus 28. Let's see, 70, 84, minus 84. And they're the root 10s. Get my eraser out. Erase these two. Well, now I'm left with the root 15s, right? That's pretty simple. It's this one there, that one there. And that's going to give you minus 36. We'll look at the key later. And 12. What does that give you? Minus 24. And they're root 15s. Right, I'm going to commit to this answer. And I want to look at the key. Let me get this stuff erased, though. I'm done with it. I'm done with that, done with that, done with that, done with that. All right, a lot of work, though. I'm not saying it wasn't. So 195, I got it. Minus 24 root 15, I got that. Let's see, 21 root 6, I got that. Minus 84 root 10s, I got that. Things are working out well. Again, I know maybe I say this too often or not often enough. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And again, if you reach out to me with constructive criticism, I'll take it in consideration. And I'll try to get back to you as well. If I'm not overwhelmed, I'll get back to you. Thank you.